flying your rocket, if that's what you can call this monstrosity.
Yes.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was interesting. There it is. Woo! Yay! Little motor in it that time.
All kinds of wows up here. That was fun, David.
Thank you.
Pad 54.
Time to start throwing disc golf.
Randall Block from...
What it normally does.
296 feet.
296 is pretty. That's pretty typical. Everybody thought it was kind of low, but no, that's about what it normally does.
That's really good. It's really good.
Yep. So let's see.
This is your disc golf rocket.
Yes. Disc golf basket. So okay. So let me give you the premise of this is, since you're videotaping me here. The premise is that somebody told me a long time ago that I need to combine my hobbies, disc golf and rocketry. Now, I racked my brain for a long time to try to figure out how to do that, so I decided to come up with a flying disc golf basket. So this is going to fits within both worlds, and this fits the dimensions of what the PDGA specifies as for a basket. Now, PDGA will probably never approve this as an actual disc golf basket, but it is the right dimensions, and also I also had to make it out of materials that were legal to fly at a AAA launch. So you can't just take one of those metal baskets off the course and just cram a motor in it. That's obviously not going to work because it's all metal.
For sure.
So, anyways.
All right.
So we've had. Oh, go ahead.
So you've made it out of PVC and carbon fiber.
Yes. Well, not PVC. Well, yeah, PVC at the bends, and then this is fiberglass, and then I have wood centering rings here and there, and this is a cardboard 4-inch shipping tube. Actually, I should have used just regular 4-inch tube, but I had a whole bunch of this at the time, so I thought I might as well use that, recycle it, and all that good stuff.
Yep, the shipping tube is a great thing to use.
Yep. Unfortunately, we got a little zipper here. Now this started at LDRS. I had one flight that kind of came in and the chute didn't open right away, and then this flight made it a little bit worse. So, but not a big deal. I should be able to replace this pretty easy.
Yeah.
So, shouldn't be too hard. So, anyways.
So what kind of electronics are you flying on the side here?
All it is a perfect flight mini timer. That's all it is.
Nice.
Yep.
So get your apogee deploy.
Right, and I got it set to 3.5 seconds. And I always fly roughly the same impulse every time. I don't like to fly anything real much bigger than that, because I've stress tested this when I first built it with the amount of, figured out, I think it was about 9 G's of thrust or something like that. And I loaded it up with 9 G's worth of weight.
Yep.
And I really don't want to go too much beyond that. Just for safety's sake, and the reason is this all comes apart, so it's resting on a centering ring right here.
Yep.
And it needs to come all apart so I can fit it in my CRV.
Yep, shipping reasons.
Yeah, it's a real pain in the butt to haul around, but if you take it all apart, it's not as bad.
Yeah.
100 feet. Yep.
No more taped on cameras for the basket.
No more. I ain't doing that anymore. Time to get the computer out and start looking at video.
All right, so it was great to chat with Dave out at AIRFEST. Unfortunately, the video is a little off and kind of disjointed. My GoPro kind of overheated in the middle of that interview, so we missed a few pieces here and there. But we went on to talk about some of the cool features he'd put on the basket, including how it's made out of carbon fiber, PVC parts, which I believe we mentioned in there. Some of the other cool things that he did with the small, basically electronics housing that he had on there, which is just a box he bought off of Amazon. And that was just really cool to see the different ways he'd made basically a rocket out of a basket. So that is the Flying Basket of Death and Destruction, made by Dave Brunsting. I will put a link to his YouTube channel in the description below, where you can go see a lot of the flights he's done with the Flying Basket, as well as several others rockets. He's always just a cool staple to see out at AIRFEST every year, and I love getting to chat with him. So I was glad I got a chance to interview him this year, so you guys can all see the incredible work he has done in rocketry. He's the mentor for the Notre Dame rocket team, and so he's honestly a lot of fun to chat with every year, and I look forward to seeing him next year. Thanks for watching, guys. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next video. Something you may or may not already know about is that Inverted Pursuits Lab has a web store where we sell 3D printed rocket kits and components. From simple park flyer to our pasture flyer line, we have rocket kits for all ages and experience levels. You'll also find parts like camera shrouds, screw switch covers, and charge wells. Printed from durable PETG, these products can withstand temps up to 185 degrees Fahrenheit and will not melt even on the hottest days of flying. Our goal is to provide you the highest quality of parts at reasonable prices, so if you're interested in checking us out, our link is in the description below.